Hi, I am Alton Patrick, and in this video I am going to describe you about how to manage type 1 and type 2 diabetes with herbal remedies. Generally, people with diabetes either face a total lack of insulin, which is called as type 1 diabetes, or they have very little insulin secretion, and this type is called as type 2 diabetes. In the second type, their body will not be in a position to use the insulin effectively as well. Here is what happens in both these types. In type 1, the immune system of the body will destroy the cells that engage in the release of insulin. This in turn will destroy the insulin production from the body completely. When there is no insulin secretion, the cells will not be in a position to absorb the glucose, which is important for production of energy in the body. In the case of type 2, it can develop at any age, and it is most commonly experienced during adulthood. But, the incidence of this is increasing among children these days. In this type, the body will not be in a position to use the insulin right away. This is termed as insulin resistance. As this condition can worse, the pancreas can produce only lesser insulin as years pass by, and this is termed as insulin deficiency. It becomes important that patients facing any of this type should look for how to manage type 1 and type 2 diabetes. How are these two types different from each other? Type 1, in the case of this, the symptoms will generally start in childhood or in young adulthood days itself. Generally, people will notice this condition due to sudden illness that is caused due to spike in blood sugar level. In this type, episodes of low blood sugar level, which is otherwise called as hypoglycemia, is common, and the worst thing about this type is that it cannot be prevented. Type 2, before diagnosing this, there will not be any symptoms recognized by patients. There will not be any episodes of low sugar unless the patient takes insulin or other medicines. This type can be prevented with diet and healthy lifestyle, like exercising regularly, eating sensibly, and maintaining healthy weight. It is generally identified in adulthood, but as mentioned earlier, children these days are also diagnosed of this condition. For both these types, patients should look for how to manage type 1 and type 2 diabetes. The great news that awaits patients who are looking for the best management of this diabetes, and for those looking to prevent type 2 diabetes, is that there are herbal remedies to manage diabetes. Men and women searching the internet for finding answer to the question how to manage type 1 and type 2 diabetes will come across details about herbal remedies to manage diabetes, and these are called as diabetic capsules. These herbal remedies are made out of effective herbal ingredients that are long being used for treating patients with this condition, like neem, amla, gurmur, and jamun. Buy diabetic capsules at worldwideweb.darmanis.com.